Can we learn from something with no intellect? Can I propose even to learn the most important from this direct? Why, when we fill our hearts with nature's nectar, do we only love its beauty and not listen to its lecture? What is the silent advice written in nature's demonstration that we have not yet perceived as a life lesson confirmation? Take the coastal line birthed from the depths below as it stretches for the skies and displays its heavenly glow. The harmony of soils and roots that bind the rocks together as the cliffs supply the trees' shade of the fierce and wildly weather. Nature finds the way to relieve the water's pressure as oceans taken in are blown from holes all the fresher. Dolphins swim and play like curious little brood, jump, dive and weave on waves of elegance exude. The sea puppies make nests on nature's contingent benches, watching the offspring play tag within the waves' trenches. Birds ride thermals scouring for food. From here the entire plan unveils, unspoken, eludes. Nature cohabitates to glory, without a thought spoken. These plans merge quietly for centuries, never broken. Look at this beauty, drama and intrigue, standing for our pleasure, even at its fatigue. Worn tunnels and crevices peek silently from corners, not listening to the chatter of vengeful scorners. All of these creatures, plants and ocean, wind and sky and earthness, live harmoniously with diversity and yet blended to greatness. All this without a word spoken in conflict, just merging and flowing so as not to evict. That calm, that peace you feel among its residency is built for a necessity to strive, thrive and survive elegantly. So look at the result in nature's delicate refinement. No semblance of jealousy, pride, or prejudice cause misalignment. Generations of humans are changing as sensitivities depart, gouging in trenches of difference and pulling us apart. Trees are not seals, nor are oceans rocks. Sun is not a creature, and yet together nothing is lost. Next moment you stand in awe on the top of a glorious release. Listen as the wind tells you how to live